a pretty color. Oh my god. Why am I sounding like that? I like it. I like it. I love, 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 love. I love this color. This is what the office space looks like right now. Something I can work with. Today I want to try rip out the carpet, but I won't be ripping out the carpet in that closet. This is my century of prayer, just me and my God. It says moisture protection, sound reduction, it cushions the floor. I think I'm loving this one more. Now I see the shade, I don't really like it. The nut brown. The mission brown. A lot going through my head. This DIY thing is not easy.
What baby?
Mix and watch to the head and see what color I finally settled in for. This is just what I need for this space. I'm going to be doing my postcard from here, my office work from here. That's my 5 to 9 office hours in here. A lot of content from this particular room. Like, I'm feeling relaxed, away from my husband, away from my kids, away from all the noise. Just sit down here to really think, create content, you know, really devote my time. And I'm glad I'm able to have an office space I can call my own and work from. This place is not a big space. See, I'm happy that I can get this done and conclude it because I'm resuming work next week. I have a corner there I want to separate to use for my prayer room. It's gonna be comfy, sitting down, kneeling down. You know, it's gonna be comfy. It's just me, so it's a good space for a prayer room. I got this off Amazon. It comes in like this. The wedgie, this to you put it by the side and you just hammer on this to put those lamination in place. It's a little nice. This woman doesn't want us to carry it out. I'm going to try moisture proof these sheets with these underlaying. Got these are Floor and Decor alongside with my laminating towels. This is the Quiet Premium underlayment. I'm so sorry about my voice. I think I'm catching something, but God forbid. I just need to go take some good pepper soup which I had yesterday. It's already getting chilly here in Texas. Finally, moisture protection, sound reduction, and I'm going to cover all the floor with it before I start putting my towels in. This is 100 feet, so I'm going to try lay them. Let me start from this angle. Now I have this underlay done. These are the ties I'm going to be working with. It's called the Optimax. I heard it's one of the best. This is the color I'm working with. I like the tone. I like the brown woody tone. So all I'm just going to do is start placing it where I want it to be. It's not yet ready. We are getting there. Yesterday, 2 a.m. in the morning, that's when I laid my head to sleep. Yesterday, I was so tired and beat up. Though I had the help of my husband doing this, but we are halfway through. This room has a lot of angles and corners and slants. Hey! We have to do filing. But the last part of the space, we're just going to take the measurement, draw the line, and either take it to Home Goods or Lowe's to do the cutting. Let me show you guys what we did yesterday. We were able to finish these. You need to see how I was working on this yesterday. We started this project a while ago. Me and my husband put in the floor, which has been here for like almost a year now. The only thing remaining is painting, putting up the frames for the modeling. I'm going to show you what color I want to use for the wall and the framing. So I got some few colors to use. These are the paint I got, and I'm going to be testing them out. I got 3 different shades of brown. So I'm going to try it out. These are other colors I want to use to do something else. Let's try the caffeine on its own. I think I like this. Not too. I think I'm liking this one more to do, like one more color, which is the nut brown. Let me go wash the brush. Nut brown. I think I'm gonna love. I'm liking it right from the. I think is what I want. Yes, it's like a shade of this too. This is what I'm going with. I love this nut brown. So this is pretty. That's a pretty color. Oh my god. Why am I sounding like that? I like it. I like it. I love, 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 love. I love this color. This is the brown I'm trying to go for. I don't know if you guys can see what it looks like in real life, but now I see the shade. I don't really like it. I'm torn between this and this to give it like that very, very moody effect, that dark effect. So I might just do either of these two, the nut brown or the mission brown. This is a little bit too light for what I want to use it for. It's not going to give me a dark effect, except I mix it together with the nut brown, the mission brown. But I'll conclude when they all dry out. Once they dry out, then I'll come back to you guys and let you know. But before then, I'll just start putting up the frame. A lot going through my head, but it's fine. It's fine. We got this. We got this. We will decide. This is the molding pattern I'm using. So it's all cut to the size. I'm just going to let me do this side so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this was going to be looking like on the wall, and I'm thinking if I'm using a sateen, I'm going to use a gloss for the molding, so it can give you this kind of shine and it can stand out. Or I'm just going to do a satin for every one of them. I'm not sure yet. I'm concerned about what color I'm going to settle for. It's going to be a surprise. Watch to the end and see what color I finally settled in for. You can drop in the comment section which color do you think. I'm going to go in for between the caffeine, the nut brown. This is the mission brown that I like. Or I'm going to be mixing both the caffeine and the mixture brown to give me this color. So I'm gonna see everything when they dry down. In the comment section, let's get this conversation going, right? I will show you guys once I'm done framing my modeling.
And I don't think I'll ever fall. Hold on, don't let go of me yet. Don't want it to end, just stay right here. Hold on, don't let this slip.
So I'm just done from work, and this is another day. We did finish the old framing because I had to go get more frame. Hopefully we can paint today and also finish the framework, then I can decorate during the weekend. But the only time we get to do this is when me and my husband are done with work.
Only you can lift me up. And the truth is I'm falling.
This DIY thing is not easier. I haven't been able to put in the modelings on the wall. I'm also done with that. I settled in and taped the floors. I'll show you guys in a bit because I'm thinking about painting the ceiling. And when I'm doing that, I don't want to paint on the floor. I need to mix my color, and this color thing, hey, No be smutting. I bought two colors to do these. Between the mission brown, the caffeine, and the nut brown, I mixed two of those colors. Go into the comment section and let me know what color did I mix together. I want to see how that would turn out to give my desired color. I will tell you guys what color I use at the end of the day. The glossy for the trimming, two different colors. So I don't know if I'm going to be mixing there. I have a vision board. I know the color I'm going for, but finger crossed we get this all together.
I don't need anybody. Only you can lift me up. And
Now
the
we
truth
to
is
mix and
I'll be there till I'm gone. Ooh, I'll be there till I'm gone. Ooh, I'll be there till I'm gone.
It's alright.
Yeah. Looks so good. I know it's gonna echo a little, but we finally got the place painted. It's clean and it's ready for decorating. I like the color. I love the brown. I left the white border and I didn't paint the roof because if I did, oh my god, this has to be so dark. Work is just being tomorrow, so I need to get this place all decorated before tomorrow morning. I think I've not seen someone use this color before, but I love the color in this space because I was going for something moody, something me, and I love brown, and this brown, it's browning. I've been waiting to get an office chair for this space, but I think they weren't. I have to cook it, but I'm going to use what I have for the meantime. But before then, that is going to be in my next video. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay connected to my channel for the next video. That's me decorating